Welcome back to TheMovableMotorhome. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful and futuristic off-road motorhomes in the world. This machine is built for travelers who want freedom, comfort, and brute strength in the toughest terrain. It is designed for adventure lovers who want a luxury home on wheels with full off-grid capability. First, let us talk about the engine. This motorhome comes with a heavy-duty hybrid diesel powertrain that delivers high torque and outstanding performance on hills and rocky track. The hybrid setup gives instant acceleration and amazing pulling power, making it perfect for long expeditions and high-altitude routes. Its engine is built to handle rough weather and remote locations without losing efficiency. Now we move to the tire. This beast runs on large, all-terrain tires paired with a 6x6 drivetrain. These tires provide maximum grip on mud, gravel, snow, and rocky trails. The suspension system is tuned for off-road performance, which keeps the ride smooth even on bumpy ground. The front design looks bold and futuristic, with a muscular grille and sharp LED headlight setup. The panoramic glass design gives the driver a wide view of the road, while maintaining a premium futuristic look and privacy. Now, let us take a look at the body structure. The body is made from lightweight yet ultra-strong material with aerospace-style durability. This keeps the vehicle stable and safe in extreme conditions. The roof carries integrated solar panels which power the electrical systems during off-grid travel. The aerodynamic shape improves stability and energy efficiency during long trips. Next, we move to the driver cabin. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with shock protection for long-distance comfort. The cockpit features a digital smart dashboard with navigation, tire pressure, performance monitoring, and driving modes in one place. The steering is multifunction and designed to reduce fatigue during long hours of driving. Inside the interior, you feel like you are entering a luxury apartment. The living space includes premium cushioned seating, a modern kitchen, smart storage, sleeping bed, climate control, and a clean washroom setup. Everything is designed for comfort, style, and functionality during long journeys. Now, about the electrical system. This motorhome uses a smart power management setup supported by solar roof panels, battery storage, and generator backup. All interior lighting is LED-based, which keeps energy usage low and allows long off-grid stays without power issues. Now it is time to talk about the price. This off-road luxury motorhome falls in the premium category because of its engineering, material quality, and hybrid technology. It is made for people who want both strength and comfort in one powerful platform. If you dream of exploring mountains, deserts, forests, and remote locations with the comfort of a luxurious home, then this machine is a perfect choice. It combines power, comfort, futuristic design, and ultimate freedom into one adventure vehicle. Thank you for watching TheMovableMotorhome. Before you go, let us know in the comments where you are watching from. Write your country or your city in the comments so we can see how many travelers from around the world are watching this video.